The Salta court today granted bail to former Tala police station officer in charge Abhijit Mondal and ex-principal of RG Kaur Medical College and Hospital Sandeep Ghosh in the rape and murder case of an on-duty doctor. Mondal was accused of delaying the filing of an FIR related to the August 9 incident, while Ghosh faced charges of evidence tampering. The arrests were made by the CBI following an investigation ordered by the Calcutta High Court. A two-day cultural exchange festival, Team Manipur United by Diversity, was inaugurated today at Chedong Kamjong district, organized by the Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur IPFM in collaboration with the Tourism Department, Government of Manipur. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, addressing the gathering, emphasized the importance of unity among indigenous communities to safeguard Manipur and foster stronger ties. He highlighted the state government's efforts to protect indigenous peoples through constitutional safeguards despite criticism and reiterated this commitment to preserving Manipur's diverse heritage. The festival aims to strengthen relationship and celebrate the cultural richness of Manipur's indigenous communities. Congress Member of Parliament Gaurav Gogoi criticized the Union Cabinet's approval of One Nation, One Election bill, calling it an attack on federalism. Speaking today, Gogoi stressed the need for parliamentary discussion on the proposed electoral changes. The bill approved on Thursday, that is yesterday, seeks to synchronize Lok Sabha, Assembly, urban body and panchayat election within a 100-day window. While BJP leaders praise it as a time-saving measure, opposition parties including JDU and NDA ally expressed concern over its impact on federalism and the constitutional amendments required. 7 youths have been arrested in connection with an alleged gang rape in Boragaon, Kamrup Metropolitan District after a video of the crime surfaced. Garchuk police, led by the Inspector Mayurjit Gogoi and Sub-Inspector Kajal Datta, launched immediate search operation following a tip-off at 2:30 am in the morning from journalist Dharmendra Kalita. The accused, aged 18 to 23, are Kuldeep Nath, Bijoy Rabha, Pinku Das, Gagan Das, Saurav Boro, Mrinal Rabha and Dipankar Mukhia. They were identified from the video and apprehended early this morning. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar expressed concern over the treatment of minorities in Bangladesh during the Lok Sabha today. He stated that India hopes Dhaka will take steps to ensure their safety and foster a stable, mutually beneficial relationship with New Delhi. Jaishankar highlighted multiple incidents of attacks on minorities in Bangladesh, noting that India has raised these concerns, including during a recent visit by the Foreign Secretary to Dhaka. He also emphasized India's strong history of development projects in Bangladesh.